Welcome to our webinar, Why Professional Teams Choose JIRA and Bitbucket.
In this section, I'm going to show you some powerful integration features that let you tightly couple your JIRA issues to the code inside your Bitbucket repositories. There are two fundamental components to any software project. There's a set of issues that represent business problems, features, or bug fixes that need to be implemented in your software. And then there's the code that actually implements those changes. If you use a traditional linear workflow for your repository, like committing directly to trunk if you're using Subversion, or just master if you're using Git, it can be hard to tell what state your issues are in. You might be able to tell that a developer has started work on a particular issue, but it's difficult to tell whether it's feature complete or if they have more changes that they need to commit before you're ready to release. Git feature branches take care of this problem nicely. Instead of committing straight to master, all development workflow is done on an independent branch. Once the code is finished, reviewed, and all the tests are passing, it gets merged into master. This keeps unstable changes isolated from the master branch. And this has a nice side effect in that master only contains code that is ready to ship, so it's always releasable. Now we have a naming convention for our branches at Atlassian. The branch name starts off with a type of branch, for example, a feature for a new feature, or bug fix for a bug that needs to be fixed, or hotfix for a bug that's currently affecting production and we need to fix it as quickly as possible. Then we follow the branch type with the issue key, which relates the branch back to the JIRA issue that we're working on, and then a short human-readable description, so that if we're looking at a list of branches in our terminal, we can tell quickly what that branch is actually about. Now there's one problem with this. Bitbucket knows what code is related to a JIRA issue by the issue key in the commit message or in the branch name. But looking up issue keys and encoding them in branch names is tedious business. And just like any repetitive process that involves a human, someone is going to make a mistake. And if you do this, then that link between Bitbucket and JIRA breaks down, and you lose all of this integration goodness. So we've made it really easy to create a branch directly from a JIRA issue. So if we pop back over to JIRA Software, you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner, we have this little Create Branch link. Now if you click this link, you get taken over to Bitbucket's Create Branch view. But you'll have the branch name pre-populated with the issue key and a short description based on the summary of the issue. You also have this neat little green tick, which indicates that the branch you are creating a feature branch from is currently passing the tests. So the pre-population of that branch name means that you no longer have typos from people writing that issue key incorrectly, which means that the link between JIRA and Bitbucket will always work. And because we know that the commit we're creating our feature branch is passing the test, we run into less broken build angst. So we've made it easy and convenient for developers to create branches from JIRA, which guarantees that our branches will be named correctly. This makes your development workflows smoother and subsequent tracking of the code, branches, pull requests, and builds a much easier process. But a good relationship is about more than just maintaining a low level of angst. It's also about good communication. And this next feature will show off just how well Bitbucket and JIRA Software keep each other up to date about what your developers are doing.
Thank you for watching Why Professional Teams Choose JIRA and Bitbucket. If you want to try JIRA Software and/or Bitbucket for free, click the Learn More button on the left. To see how to connect JIRA Software and Bitbucket, click the video at the top right of your screen. To continue on to the next chapter in this webinar, click the See What's Next button on the bottom right of your screen. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.